Hello everyone, so I want to get on here and show you how to create a quote graphic in less than 3 minutes. So I decided to do a stopwatch, and now we're going into the membership dashboard. I'm going to take you through the whole steps of creating this quote graphic. So first we're going to go down and we're going to get the image. I decided to go with the newest collection, which is the blush collection. And yeah, so let's take you through the steps. So the first thing you'll see is the newest collection. So it'll be instantly taken over to the Dropbox folder, and you can pick and choose which image you like. You can go ahead and export it and save it to your photos. Now we're going back into the members dashboard. And then we're going to go down to the exclusive content. Now the plus size with the either plan that you get, you will be able to get these quote graphics. So if you just need the blogger plan, you'll be able to get the pre-made quotes. So taking you into the pre-made quotes, I'm going to choose the first one that I see, because I usually choose that one the most anyway. Of course, it's going to take you straight to a Dropbox folder, and you can pick and choose the image that fits you perfectly. We're going to go ahead and export it and save it to your photos. And that only took maybe 2 minutes. Next, we're going to go into the Fused app, and then we're going to take the first photo that we got, which was this one that we exported from Dropbox. And then we're going to go back in and we're going to choose the overlay, which was the quote graphic. So what I'm doing here is I am swiping left and I'm getting the perfect filter. So I'm swiping, still not the right one. And then I finally come to the perfect medium where it doesn't have the white background that the normal quote graphic has. And I am all done in 3 minutes. And there you go. I created one image using 2 images. One was a stock photo and one was a pre-made quote. You don't have to go into Canva to create your quote. You don't have to look up a quote. You have it all there in the membership. So if you aren't already a member, go ahead and go over to shebostock.com and choose your plan. We have 3 plans that match your current business. All plans come with unlimited access to the stock photos. So in the blogger plan, you can also get quotes. In the entrepreneur plan, you can also get templates. And with the manager plan, you can actually use the images, the templates, and the quotes for your clients. That's something special. So if you're done being frustrated, feeling like everything's just time consuming, and you are feeling overwhelmed, go ahead and hit up Shebo Stock. I want you to gain consistency, attract your audience, and convert your customers. Go ahead to shebostock.com and become a member today.